Cardano must be one of the most thoroughly examined digital forms of money out there. The market capitalization of Cardano is as of now at more than $16 billion. The organization's local token, ADA, has additionally been filling in notoriety because of its developing use cases. As of late, the organization declared that it has added another element to its blockchain that makes it simpler to perform exchanges. The year 2022 has not been an optimal one for digital currencies. For example, the cost of ADA has been fluctuating somewhere in the range of 45 cents and 52 cents during the most recent 7 days. In the wake of hitting a high of $1.60 in January, the altcoin began to exchange at lower levels. In spite of the negative market patterns during the start of spring, Cardano had the option to return and keep an uplifting perspective. Notwithstanding, after it penetrated the $1.20 mark, the cost of the altcoin began to fall. Is this a gathering zone sign for Cardano or the start of a further negative fall? 2023. Through peer-investigated research, Cardano was worked as the first blockchain stage that can be worked with the essential safety efforts to safeguard the information of billions. It is likewise equipped for supporting different worldwide frameworks. A consistent ascent in noticeable quality is required for Cardano to keep up with its situation as one of the most unmistakable digital currencies on the planet. In such a hopeful situation, the cost of ADA could reach as high as $1.13. On the off chance that the bears win, the cost of Cardano could tumble to around 59 cents. Then again, assuming that the selling and purchasing pressures are adjusted, the altcoin could be at around 75 cents. 2024. The rising number of designers and the developing notoriety of Cardano could assist with helping the organization's piece of the pie. This would likewise assist with enhancing the organization's arranged drives. On the off chance that the more extensive market goes through a possible administrative or monetary emergency, the altcoin could drop to around $1.04, albeit the standard cost of Cardano might in any case reach $1.54. It would be critical to try not to get out of hand. 2025. Assuming the organization carries out an open democratic framework by 2025, it could influence the cost of the altcoin. This could make it lose a portion of its brokers. Notwithstanding, over the long haul, the cost may as yet stretch around $2.61. On the off chance that Cardano can effectively execute different undertakings and drives, the cost of the digital currency could arrive at a limit of $3.49 by 2025. 2030. Specialists at a main monetary firm foresee that the cost of Cardano could arrive at a limit of $5.84 in 2030. They likewise accept that the altcoin will keep on developing. The above ADA cost examination outline is set to a day-to-day time span. Towards 2018 Q4, ADA moved in a falling wedge designed serious areas of strength for with energy. 2019 opened with a union that went on for around 90 days prior to breaking out of the scope of 4 cents 5 cents. After it broke out of the reach, the cost moved around 85% into the 10 cents potential gain cost. The new high took out the last critical high, proposing that the negative pattern was finished, and the market is presently bullish. Juncture with the moving midpoints pointers portraying a brilliant cross likewise recommended there may be an adjustment of pattern. These further drove ADA by 55% to the 5 cents potential gain value, a similar zone made since Nov. 2019. This zone has gotten the cost to regard it whenever it passes this zone. As is normal, the ADA cost solidified for a couple of days at this zone, offered a little to the drawback to accumulate request strength at the 4 cents request zone, which worked and pushed the cost 55% into the potential gain at the 8 cents minus 0.09 zone, and relieved the last high demonstrating a bullish pattern affirmation. After the cost arrived, it made a bull banner cost going from 8 cents to 9 cents for quite a long time. This bull banner is a continuation design, which shows that the cost was as yet bullish. The market is simply resting to assemble more interest solidarity to proceed with its transition to the potential gain. And it did subsequent to retesting 0.070 IPA with a long wick. 3 passages on Cardano is a layered savvy contract strong decentralized blockchain network that expects to further develop Bitcoin's POW versatility, interoperability, and supportability with its Ouroboros POS convention. The blockchain is made out of 2 layers, the Cardano settlement layer and the Cardano computational layer. The previous permits shared exchanges to happen inside the organization. The last option, then again, goes about as a scaffold between the Shrewd agreements and the CSL. Dissimilar to the customary POS calculation, Cardano utilizes a complicated variant of the POS called the Ouroboros POS. Dissimilar to the ordinary POS, the Ouroboros framework makes time lots called ages. Every age has a space chief who will perform block creation. This technique decreases clog and increment the productivity of the organization. Cardano is controlled by Cardano Establishment. Advances Cardano Improvement and Development IOHK, chips away at Cardano project until somewhere around 2020. Emergo, committed to bringing new associations. ADA is Cardano's local token for marking and gas installment. ADA highlights 45 billion all-out provisions, staking rewards is 4.5% APR. No lockup or open period. The least marking limit is only 1 ADA flexible marking and solid award. ADA holders stake around 70% of the circling coins ADA in more than 3,000 marking pools. What elements influence Cardano's cost? In the speedy universe of Cardano, exchanging time sits tight for no man. This blockchain computerized resource has caused disturbances throughout the long term in the monetary market news because of its high development speed. While some are as yet contemplating the essentials and authenticity of this cash, right now is an ideal opportunity to purchase the digital currency coins as monetary expectations are showing cost expansions in ADA. Other digital currencies can likewise influence the cost of Cardano. The momentary changes of the money are predominantly affected by the feelings of its brokers. On account of Cardano, the cost will be affected by the premium of its expected purchasers. Whales can likewise control the cost of a coin. On the off chance that a lot of ADA tokens are held, this will expand the interest for the coin, which will make the cost increment. While in the long haul, the cost is chiefly impacted the Technologica. It is vital to dissect the presentation of various digital forms of money against each other to decide the genuine development of the altcoin. For example, Cardano is at present in the 8th situation with a market capitalization of more than $16 billion. It is normal to keep developing and move up in the rankings. Long-haul cost expectations for Cardano show a falling cost past $2.30 in 2023. Nonetheless, in 2024, Cardano is supposed to begin with a negative move following the 2023 playout and afterward go bullish to another ATH hit of $5. In rundown, Cardano is supposed to acquire Esteem. This moment would be the best opportunity to purchase the token as the coins are exchanging at a cost level. Will ADA fall beneath $1? As of December 9, 2021, the ADA live cost diagrams show groundwork for some sidewards exchanging before a logical bullish solidification run, notwithstanding its new negativity. In the worst situation imaginable, ADA will retest the strong help at around $1.09 to $1.20 it's held since spring. However, it is far-fetched to fall beneath $1. Not with Cardano's new organization and consistent innovation and advancement improvement. Regardless of whether it occurs despite everything, you should rest assured about a prompt recuperation to hit another ATH inside record time after such a fall. Disclaimer: digital forms of money are profoundly unpredictable. Just exchange what you can bear to lose. Will Cardano reach $3 before 2023? No is the short response. Since plunging beneath $2 in November 2021, Cardano has serious areas of strength for hit at $1.40 and $1.79. Separately, individuals are getting terrified of holding their ADA token past that cost level. Until ADA can areas of strength for shape at $1.40, it's probably not going to break its $1.79 opposition. The diagram doesn't demonstrate a prompt huge momentary bull run readiness, and hence, ADA is probably not going to end the year at above $2. In this way, ADA hitting $3 before